Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple, delicious batter for fish and chips. It's easier than you think. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the liquid, grab 1 cup of very cold sparkling water or a light beer. These simple components are the foundation for a perfectly crispy coating. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and salt. Give them a quick whisk to ensure they are well distributed. Then, slowly pour in your cold, sparkling water or beer, whisking gently as you go. The key here is not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will actually help keep your batter light and airy. This quick step sets the stage for a fantastic crunch. Before we dip our fish, proper preparation is crucial. Start by patting your fish fillets, such as cod or haddock, completely dry with paper towels. This removes excess moisture, which is essential for a crispy batter. Next, lightly dust each 6-ounce fillet with a thin layer of all-purpose flour. This creates a perfect surface for the batter to cling to, ensuring an even and delicious coating every time. Finally, it's time to fry. Heat your cooking oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each floured fish fillet into your prepared batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Gently lower 1 or 2 pieces into the hot oil at a time to avoid overcrowding. Fry for approximately 4 minutes, or until the batter is beautifully golden brown and the fish inside is cooked through and flakes easily. Enjoy your perfectly crispy fish and chips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.